बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप कि आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। अल्लाह ताला आप लोगों को सेहत तंदुरुस्ती फरमाए। सो टुडे आज की जो वीडियो है, आई विल शो अ ब्यूटीफुल होम डेकोरेशन आइडियाज़ यूजिंग फोमिक शीट एंड कार्डबोर्ड्स, क्विलिंग पेपर क्राफ्ट, beautiful flower quilling paper craft, dia quilling paper craft, different ideas. So I hope you like my videos, my ideas. Making this dia decor is very easy and simple, beautiful and stylish. You can easily make it. If you watch the video carefully till the end, you do not need to spend a lot of money to make it. Quilling frame, quilling flower, quilling super paper craft ideas, paperwork, and everything you need to make in super paper craft. You will get all kinds of videos for decoration. Our channel Super Paper Craft can like and share videos. All these instructions that are need to follow to keep it and care give in the videos. Please follow the videos till the end and between understanding. Please comment and share these videos for your friends. And do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos. Home decorate, die craft, Eva crafts, paper craft. You can also watch my videos. And please you like my videos, so please like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. And please press the bell icon. Very beautiful ideas, craft ideas, quilling paper, dark colors ideas. I hope you like it. Please share your friends and family members. I will make a new videos, new ideas for your needs. Thanks for watching my videos. So Allah Hafiz.